Hello guys, today I'm going to show you on how to create a shared folder and share it over a wireless network. So here are some tips before starting. First of all, you need to ensure that the computers are actually connected to the same network. Then you have to ensure that the wireless network is set as private connection. So what if you set it as a public connection? If you set it as a public connection, then your computer will be hidden from other computers, including yourself, and it's going to make file sharing very tough. The next thing is that we are going to head over to this PC and we'll click on properties. Then we have to ensure that you have a simple computer name so that it's going to be easily distinguishable when you're in a huge network. And then you have to have a same workgroup name with all the other computers that you're trying to share the shared folder with. So by default, Windows is going to name it as workgroup with all caps. Right now, let's create a shared folder without password protection. So actually, I don't have any internet connection right now, but let's try it anyways. Let's just create a new folder and let's name it as test sharing. Then let's click properties, click sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, and let's rename it as shared folder. So this name will actually appear when other users are trying to access my shared folder. They will see this name when they are trying to access it. So let's set the number of simultaneous users to 20, the default amount, and let's put this is a shared folder. Hit apply, click permissions, and then so right now I'm trying to give everyone to have access to my shared folder. But right now, the permission for everyone is actually that they can only read my shared folder. So they can only read files within my shared folder. For instance, they can only just view text files in notepads and stuff, or maybe just watch videos or movies on my shared folder. So right now, I'm just going to give them full control so they can rename my things on my shared folder, they can modify things on my shared folder, they can delete, or maybe add new things into my shared folder. Let's hit apply, click OK, hit apply, click OK. Then let's head on to our security tab. So right now, our everyone seems to be missing from this list. So we just click edit. Then we have to add everyone. Then click check names for any spelling errors. Okay, that's good. Then another way of adding everyone is that we can just click on the advanced section and click find now, and it will actually appear a list of users which are actually on my computer, and we just have to find everyone and click OK. This function is actually very useful when you're not very sure about the specific name of a certain user. You can just click this function and then you will find its name and then just use it from there. Click OK. Then we'll give full control to everyone. Click apply, click OK, close it up, and then we're nearly done. So right now, our test sharing folder is still empty. Right now, let's head to network section. Oops, network discovery is turned off. So right now, we need to turn it on. No worries. Let's click on properties. Then we have to click on change advanced sharing settings. Right now, we have to turn on our network discovery and turn on file and printer sharing. So right now, other users can finally access our files and look at our computer. It's going to be visible. And now we will have to apply all the same settings to our guest or public profile. Why am I doing this? This is because when I'm actually switching accounts, I can still use file sharing. And now head to the all network section. I'm actually turning off the public folder sharing right now, because I don't want Windows to help me to create a default public folder. This is because right now I actually want to share a specific folder named test sharing, and I don't want to share any other folders besides that. Right now, let's just use the 128-bit encryption, the recommended one, and let's just turn off password protected sharing for now. Okay, save changes. Then let's just refresh. Okay, come on. Okay, so I have two computers on my network, and one is my computer, the other one is Alice's computer. And right now, my file is actually visible right now. The name is shared folder, and the description is this is a shared folder. Yeah, this is what is going to be visible to other people. So right now it's still empty, so we'll put this aside, and I'm just going to copy an image into my test sharing folder, and boom, it's done. So right now we'll just have to access into Alice's computer to prove that it's done. So right now I'm in Alice's computer, and right now let's head to network. Let's choose network and let's look at our shared folder. Okay, so here's the image, and let's see if I can copy it out and paste it. Let's try and open it. Yeah, it's done. And I can even rename it to Hi. It applies the changes to my own computer too. To create a shared folder with password protection, we'll have to create a new user account. So let's just change account settings, family and other users, add someone else to this PC. Just a moment. I don't have this person sign information. We just choose this because this will be much faster. So right now we're just going to add a user without a Microsoft account. We'll have to add Alice to this computer. So I'm letting Alice to gain access of my shared folder with password 1234 1234. Okay, let's just put random questions and let's just put random answers. Yes, next. Okay, next. So right now I've added Alice. So later on, Alice is going to use her own computer to access my shared folder, and when she do so, she will have to enter the username and also the password which I have registered on this computer, which is 1234. Right now, we'll just have to create a blank folder, new folder, just a new folder. Then I'm just going to put it as password sharing. Okay, it's just a simple file name. Okay, let's just hit properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, share folder with password. Yeah, then we will put everything as default. This is a secure folder. Okay, apply. Permissions, we'll just add Alice. Okay, check names. Okay, done. And because I want to specifically share my shared folder to only Alice, so I'm just going to give Alice full control, and then click apply, OK, click apply, click OK, and go to the security tab, and we're going to add Alice again. Okay, add Alice, check names. Okay, it's done. Remember to press the check names when you're trying to add another new person. Full control, apply, OK, then close. Right now, let's head to our network section again. At the last part, let's just turn on. Okay, let's just turn on for a while. Properties. So basically, change advanced settings. Then turn on network discovery. Just turn everything on. And then we're going to use all the default things, and I'm disabling the public folder sharing for now, and turn on password protected sharing. Save changes. Okay, then let's just refresh. Okay, so right now I can access to my own local computer without any password. So when Alice does so, she will have to enter her credentials. So right now, let's just access Alice's computer. And let's just tell her to put something for me. So now Alice has to open the network section again, and then now she has to click on my computer, and then she will have to enter her credentials, which I've registered for her just now, which is the Alice username with the password 1234. Okay. Then she can connect to my share folder with password. And right now, she just has to dump in some pictures for me. And then it's done. So that's all for today's shared folder. In conclusion, I still think the shared folder with password protection is still the best, as you don't want any unauthorized or anonymous users to barge into your shared folder with all the files in it. And I hope that this video helps you, and please leave a like if you like this video, and please do comment if you have any questions. Thank you.